Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Hena Hossain. I have passed the April diet. So grateful to Almighty and Dr. Ahad's MRCP syndrome. So I took about 4 months to prepare. Actually, this was my second attempt with a full-time job. I appeared last October and failed by a narrow margin. I was really upset and didn't know what to do. In a Telegram group, I came across Dr. Ahad's MRCP syndrome. I checked the website. I found it really structured and precise. I took his Madbox course. As I was going for the exam second time, I already did past medicine, past test along with past paper. This time I focused mainly on past medicine textbook, past medicine questions and past paper along with Dr. Ahad's Madbox course. It was really helpful and key to my revision. The last few days I did past papers, my own notes and Dr. Ahad's Madbox course again and again. His thorough and clear explanations in the Madbox classes really worked wonder for me. Other than these things, I would like to specially mention how considerate he was towards me, my worries and questions. Any doubt or plan on how to prepare, I could easily ask him and he was always available, kind and thoughtful with his answers. In the exam, I could feel how his Madbox course helped me. Thank you, Dr. Ahad and MRCP syndrome. I would without doubt recommend anyone who are going for MRCP exam. Thank you, everyone.